Annapolis is down 43.6% from last year, while prices are up 10.5%. It's Friday, August 18th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Home prices in the 21401 zip code are up 3.7%. 21403 prices rose 18.8%, and 21409 prices increased 9.8%. Annapolis has 102 homes for sale. 16 homes hit the market since last report. 24 homes are poised to hit the market soon. 9 homes went under contract, and 14 went pending over the past week. 17 sold in just 7 days, 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home that sold was in Cherrystone Hill for $2 million. There are 30 homes for lease in Annapolis at a median $3,150 per month and leasing in 12 median days. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 18th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe, and I won't see you next Friday, but I'll see you the week after. Take care.